Hey everyone, Nomadic Woodsman here. Thanks for tuning in. So this week's bushcraft challenge, we did traps last week and we were successful with our traps. So we got some food, so now we got to do some outdoor cooking. So there's 4 parts. I got to do a salmon, or cook something with a basket stick, just like that. This one's just a rainbow trout. I got to make some bannock, so I got it right here on my stick. And then I got to make some Cowboy coffee. So I got a rolling boil on my pot right now, so I'm going to go ahead and add my grinds and let it boil for like 3-4 minutes. And then after that I'll add a bit of cold water to settle the grounds, and then coffee will be ready. And then the next part after that, once everything's done as well, I have to cook on a rock, on a flat rock. I actually have a flat rock in the back of my fire here that's heating up right now. Yeah, let's go ahead and add the grinds. Rolling boil. Sorry for the darkness. It's dark really early here in Canada right now. It's like 5 o'clock right now. Add my coffee. Now the Cowboy coffee recipe that I know, gotta let it boil for 3-4 minutes, and then put some cold water, like I said. So for the challenge, I gotta explain what my favorite bannock recipe is, and this is my favorite recipe, just about ready to turn it right now. So it's a very simple recipe. You'll have it in the description. It is I do 3 cups of flour, white flour. I put tablespoon of sugar, tablespoon of salt, 1 or 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and then to hydrate it, to make the dough, I put 1 cup of either water or 1 cup of milk. Really simple, basic recipe, really good. You can upgrade it, right? You can add nuts, you can add dried fruits, whatever you want in there. But that's a really simple recipe, really good. So the bannock takes about 40 minutes to cook. This one's pretty small, maybe less. And the salmon, the rainbow trout, will only take about like 15 minutes. So I just have it off to the side right now. Put it on the fire later. So I have a split birch stick. The other one's birch as well. Birch is a good wood for cooking. It's not toxic or anything. And yeah, then I did some skewers. Put my skewers and my salmon inside, tied both ends, and then it's good to go on the fire. So I'll put it on a little bit later. Right, take the coffee off of the pot hanger, ready to go, and add some cold water. Gonna let the grounds settle a little bit, and then now that we don't have our coffee anymore, we'll take the pot hanger off of there and add our trout. the snow is really handy to stick my sticks. Perfect. Okay, let's see if this thing's full of grinds or not. There's a little bit of grinds at the bottom, but overall it's not too bad. See if the rock's starting to be warm, so I'm going to throw some bacon on there and have a bit of bannock as well. So I'll throw the bannock and the bacon, and then we'll adjust the fire. Oh, it's already hot enough. Hear that sizzle. Ah. Not even sticking. It's a non-stick rock, I guess, with all the bacon fat. Bacon's ready. Yeah, the bacon's good. Tastes like bacon. Bacon on a rock. See what the flip the bannock. Little bit of sand and little rock chips, but other than that, the rock bannock is ready. I just took a piece off of it. Look at that. Cooked nice and even on the rock. Add a little bit of butter and strawberry jam. Super good. I have a little bit of sand and rock fragments from the rock, which kind of crunchy, but it's good. Try to get a better angle to show the salmon. So this is one side. I used spruce roots to tie on the stick. It worked pretty good. It's got a nice golden color now. That's ready. Remove both lashings. Appears to be cooked. Bannock is ready as well. So that is it for this week's bushcraft challenge. Gonna go enjoy the meal, and we'll see you guys next week.